What's up, guys? Welcome back to another banger. Let them know what we're gonna be doing. Pop.
We're over here with Lito. So we're telling him what you got going on, Lito.
We're about to lower this bitch on some longer springs.
New wheels too.
New wheels.
The 1552s.
Oh yeah, last time you guys seen this, it was on the stock wheels, right?
Yeah.
Which was when we put the what? Downpipe?
Yeah.
But yeah, this is updated. The GTI. We got these lowering springs right here.
Megan Racing.
But yeah, we're jacking up the car. Put this side on jack stands, and yeah, we'll catch you guys.
Megan Racing 2-inch drop springs.
What else, Pop?
That's it for him. Then you take the wheels off. Take this back springs off and put the new ones on. Then wheel fins.
Explain to the camera what you're doing. The process, kind of.
So for the rear, on the GTI, all you gotta do is lower the lower control arm and the whole spring comes down, and that's it. And then replace it with the new one, bolt it back up right here, and that's it. A little.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, so
Bolt came off.
the control goes down, and then this is how easy it is. A little. Yeah.
It's cake or not? But what were you saying though?
Get the new one, Lito. Take this off, put the new one back in, bolt it back up. That's it.
And it drops? Yeah. Cap.
Because the spring is smaller.
I'm sorry, I'm new to the game, bro. I don't know much. I was never into cars, so I'm just in it for the clout. Huh? Where's the S though? Yeah.
Collecting dust. Sitting right now. Show them the beamer. The daily's right there. New fucking spring. Put the grommet on top and throw it back in. Combi.
Yeah, pretty much plug and play, huh?
Yep. Plug and play. And then you grab the jack and push it up with the jack.
So it lines up?
Yeah.
A little bit more down, bruv.
That's me a screwdriver. If you need to align it, like, use a fucking screwdriver. Alright, give me a sec. Little Red Bull Summer Edition. Why you hella breaking your back, Brian? Sit down. Let me see what he's doing.
This shit's spinning, bro.
Huh? What do you mean? Megan Racing rear for the GTI.
Now what?
Now we're working on the fronts. You be on the camera.
I don't know what to say though.
Damn, your camera's kind of dirty. Oh, no. The rears are done. Working on the fronts now. So in the front, it's a little bit more work, but not too hard. The whole shock itself has to come off. So you got this one right here. Remove the sway bar link. And then push this down so this can come off. And then the top three screws holding it on, and it comes off. And then we'll show you the next part, which is removing the shock from the string from the strut, and then putting the new one on. Let me show you guys Lito's engine bay. We got a CTS intake, Fairmount intercooler, downpipe. This car's pretty loud, huh? 17-year-old with a loud ass car, huh? What else do we got here? Intake? I don't know what. Oh, the little breather. Comment down below what else Lito should do to the GTI. Huh, Brian?
So like 2 hours later, Jay finally got the spring off.
Not gonna cap. We were struggling, but
Tell him what you had to do. Oh, you don't want to.
you just gotta compress the spring hella good with those things, and then this shit comes off. But I wasn't thinking right.
So now what?
Now you take that one off and you put the new one back in like this.
Mm-hmm.
You tighten it, the nut right there,
Uh-huh.
and then that's it.
Just throw it back on. Bet.
Alright gang, so not gonna cap, we ran into some issues with the other side. This one's all done. The spring is in there. Right now Brian is taking the end link off because on the other side we weren't able to finish it yesterday. Fucking
We had to go to
the nut. Yeah, we had to go to the quick scene, put the nut right here. And the other side doesn't want to come off. So we're gonna try that shit again right now.
The fans play soccer. Let us know down in the comments section.
Yeah, that shit is making us struggle. So second attempt today. Hopefully everything else is done already. Hopefully today we finish it. Well, we have to. We are. But hopefully it's not too complicated. But let's get it. Subscribe. Okay guys, so many hours later, 2 days later, finally this shit is going back on with the new spring. Shout out to my nigga John for getting that fucking bolt tightened and shit. His work. Damn bro, what's up with your camera though? Kinda. But yeah, getting the last one back in finally.
A little bit more towards
This shit is gonna be done finally, bro. About time. I'm over it. So we're gonna finish up and then show you guys. What's up, Lito? So we're finally done, huh?
Yeah. Fuck.
2 days later. Brian's tired. A lot of wrenching. Lito too, huh, Lito?
Yeah. Actually got that.
I just got back from the game and I scored, bro. What are you talking about?
Lito had to call off work so we can finish the shit.
Hey, don't let his boss see this.
Bro, don't share this video to his boss. But all the springs are all done now. Now he just has to wait a few days for it to like completely settle so the car can drop all the way the 2 inches, but it's already looking lower than before, especially the front. You can hella tell, huh, Lito?
Yeah.
The wheel gap is, it's almost flush. Yeah, looks better.
Definitely.
What's next?
Big turbo coming soon.
Oh yeah, the big turbo soon.
Yeah.
Sheesh. He's gonna get Brian.
Yeah, you can get you too.
The 35. But what do you guys think? Needs a car wash, huh?
A little dirty.
Needs a little car wash. Alright, you guys wanna end that off? Say something, Brian, like subscribe.
That's it for today's video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.
Let me know if you guys want more GTI videos, huh?
Yeah, shout out to Jay and Brian for sure. Probably now the 2-day work.